Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's discussion, we want to look at coronavirus and the after effect of it. From the onset, I want to tell you, if you see coronavirus as something positive, it will yield positivity for you. If you see coronavirus as something negative, it will yield negativity for you. I, for one, want to take the positive side. And so, whatever I'm going to say today, we'll be looking at coronavirus from the positive side. The best thing that come out of coronavirus is that the world was able to take a rest. No car was running around for a long time. The sea was calm. The sky rested. And that is very, very good for the world. In a lot of coastal places, they are able to see big fishes coming very close to the coast and feeling free. Dogs and other animals roam free on the streets without any hindrance. They feel like they are part of the world again. And that's one of the most positive things that can happen to the world. On the other side, the world was able to cool down. The world temperature has gone a little bit down. Pollution has reduced, and we cannot quantify that in terms of payment. Whatever it takes for us to take that step back, what all the gold in the world. So let us see what coronavirus has done for us and how we can take advantage of a period like this. I've talked about the rest and the reduced temperature in the world. The well-being of the animal has been taken care of during this period. Now let us see in the woman world. Our businesses has been devastated. A lot of big businesses, middle businesses, and small businesses are crying out now. Big businesses are filing for bankruptcy. A lot of middle and small businesses may not come back. And this is where we need the wisdom of God to apply so that we see the light of the day again. Coronavirus started at a given time. And it will be very well that we go back to that time and just erase or delete that period that coronavirus was active and pretend that it never really existed. Let the UN print their own money or print the money of some countries and mop up all the debts that we get into, get back the world into a working order. The companies that owe or were not able to pay their workers, let the United Nations help to get them back to what they were before the coronavirus. If we are able to do this, we must have used that God-given wisdom and escape the consequence of coronavirus. Coronavirus to me is like a third world war. The only thing is that our infrastructures were left intact. Now, if we delete the effect of closed company and of bankruptcy, of debts and all that, we must have used our wisdom to beat the coronavirus. Then the coronavirus will look like a world holiday, and then we can get back and start doing things in the right way again. If we allow this coronavirus to floor us, it will take a long time before the world is able to come out of it and be able to reorganize itself. We need a lot of wisdom in this period, and we can apply it. We've not borrowed money from another planet. Whatever we owe ourselves is done right here in the world. And good for us, most of our money is not tagged to any Google anymore. We can print as much money as we like. But we do as to print money that will just help us to get back to where we are and wipe out the debts that people get into during this lockdown period. I've been hearing that people with bank loan have to pay for all this period. It will sink the world economy. And I've been hearing that a lot of companies will make do with robots instead of human beings. That they felt robot will do them better in case of another global pandemic. It will not affect them because robot will just keep on working. Well, I don't think we need to do that unless we work with the UN and agree to a standard. If we want to let the human being go, we can do it. It's within our reach to do that, but we have to put in place a system that will continue to feed the world population and get them to enjoy their time in the world. Remember, we have a short period to live here, at most 70 or a little bit plus. Most people don't even live that long. It will do us a lot of good if we bring some of the best brain in the world to sit. They said iron sharpeneth iron. Let them crack their brain and come up with a very good solution. Coronavirus must be taken advantage of in a very positive way. If we do that, we will not face much problem. The world will be a better place. But if we continue to create dichotomy, the USA want to solve their own problem their own way, China want to do their own, and other countries will just fall in place and do their own. I think the time has really come for the world to unite under one umbrella and continue to solve our problem as one. If you just view it, most of the things we need to do to get the world to be able is within our reach. We just do not have the willpower to do it. And coronavirus has given us the best opportunity to get our willpower going. And I believe that's what we should do. We should see coronavirus as a positive thing. For those of the people that died, well, congratulations. And for the people who are living, congratulations. Don't mock the people who died. It's just their time to go. And don't congratulate the people who are living. It's just that they are given another chance to live another day. But let us all be wise as serpents. Let us use this opportunity to better the lot of the people in the world, both animal and the human race. It will do us a world of good if we take positivity out of this coronavirus pandemic. We can do it. We can do it. There's no need of paying university fees, school fees, and all that. We can all do it. The world can take care of us. If the robots are working, it will be a better day for us. But let us do it in a way that it will not harm anybody, that all will enjoy out of the pandemic. The pandemic is the hand of God, and the handwriting of God is still fresh on the wall. We can take heal from it and better the lot of the world. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Press the notification bell so that anytime we posted a video, you will be notified. Encourage us by ringing the like button. And if you have something to say, you can leave us comments so that we will be able to better our lot. Thank you.